Welcome. In this video we're going to review some of the new features that have been incorporated into the Apollo Stock Manager software. These features will make it even easier for you to manage your stock portfolio. As you're putting together your stock portfolios, you'll want to consider stocks that work well within the Apollo Stock Manager software. In the Apollo Choice training video, we discussed how Apollo goes through and calculates a point scale for how it performs with that particular stock. Stocks that perform well are also highlighted in green. Because the performance rating is being constantly reevaluated, it can be difficult to find all of the top performing stocks in a long list. Apollo has made this task easy with the top 10 checkbox at the top of the stocks page. By clicking on the top 10 checkbox, all of the top performing stocks in each group are shown. To redisplay all of your stocks, simply uncheck the top 10 box. Another daily or weekly task when using the Apollo Stock Manager software is finding stocks that have had recent signal generations. You can do this easily now with the Signals Since checkbox. When you click this box, a drop-down box comes up and you can select one of these periods of time. We'll select in the past quarter. All of these stocks have had signals generated in the last quarter. The stocks are originally displayed in alphabetical order. You can change that by clicking the date column. You can change it to since last usage. In this case, Apollo Stock Manager software keeps track of signals generated since you last logged in and will display any new signals with this screen. To return to the normal settings, just uncheck the Signals Since box. The last feature that we'll discuss is the information box. By checking this information box here, information on a particular stock is displayed. For our demonstration, we're going to select United States Steel. When the information appears, you'll notice that there are little plus and minus boxes here where you can expand or collapse that particular category. We'll examine each one. Under the information category, you'll see the name, the full name, and the symbol, along with other information regarding that particular stock. We'll collapse that and look at the price history. The price history shows information on the stock over the last several days. In the news box, you can see recent news articles that involve United States Steel. If we click on this one, our browser is opened and we are taken to the article in which United States Steel is mentioned. We'll simply close the browser now and we're back to the news. And we can uncheck the box to remove the window, or we can click the X box over here and accomplish the same thing. The Stock Information checkbox is also located on the Portfolios and Signals screen. It's located in the lower left corner. It also appears on the Stock Selector screen down in the lower right. Another feature on the Stock Selector screen that we'd like to cover is the A groups. By selecting various indices, we can select all the stocks in that particular indice without having to actually import them in. The great thing about this is it keeps your listing up to date. If stocks in the Dow Jones change, it will change in your stock selection. Another feature is Prices Not Recent. If you have any stock prices that have not been downloaded or that are not currently available, they'll appear in this box here. All of these new features have been added to the Apollo Stock Manager software as a result of customer input. We solicit your input and we respond. Thanks for listening, and we hope you have a great day. Be sure to visit us on the web at www.apollostockmanager.com. Be sure to visit us on the web at www.apollostockmanager.com.